Hello, my name is Tuk, and I would like you to take a look of my videos. My videos concern is about the Bangkok and another places in Thailand. So if you are interested in Thailand or in Bangkok or even like my video, please subscribe or give me a comment will be appreciated. Or if you have anything that you would like to ask, please add up or give me some the question under the comment down there. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye. Hello, now I'm at the small alley, like a kind of small road here. You can see in the Talad Noi, not far from the Yawarat. And I found one shop, like they made the toy out of the spare part from the car, which is very interesting. You can see here. They even have like an elephant here that they make from the spare part here, and also you can see the dragon here as well, dancing now. And some like a kind of a small toy here. There you go. The aeroplane. I think that is a new one, but they just try to fix it. And also with the dinosaur over there as well. You can see that. So I think the people who love art and craft so gonna love it here because it's quite amazing in some way because it just take all the small part there. You can see that, and then they can make it like that. You can see that is the way it is. And I'm gonna pan around the shop here. You see. Something that they can make it out from. It's quite a good idea that they don't waste all the spare part, the old one, and just make a new one with it.
คุณใครอ่ะ
อ๋อคุณต้อง
อ๋อนึกว่าตามสบายครับ
So you can see
ที่
that
นี่
as
บ้านผม
well.
อะไรเสียงกง
Even with the motorbike here. Dragon, aeroplane here, and the car, and motorbike. So you can see I just pan around here the things. So it's even with the boat there also, they just make the shop look attractive enough for the tourists or visitor to come and take picture or video with it. So I hope you enjoy it and see you for the next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.